Honan Sucheng Abrasives Company, established in 1990, which is specialized in research and development and manufacturing kinds of glass beads for 21 years. We own 30 advanced production lines, with an annual output of 2,000 tons. Equipped with the biggest glass beads stereo storage system, full automatic sieving, grading, and packing system. It has full, realized clean production and automatic management. Our company owns the most completed comprehensive testing laboratory, and can independently accomplish all detection indicators of beads to satisfy the development of new technology and new products.